Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Opay account. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open your Opay application in your mobile. After launching the application, click on this Me tab in the bottom right corner and then simply tap on this settings icon. And now you will see these options here. You can see this option delete account. Just simply tap on this delete account and then tap on this delete account again, and now you can see you have request to delete account and you can read this. After reading this, you have to tap on this confirm. Then you have to enter the OTP you will receive on your number and you will see this. The account has been successfully deleted. You can continue to log in within 14 days. After successfully login, account deletion will be cancelled and the account status will return to normal. So after 14 days, your account will be deleted if you didn't log in your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to delete your Opay account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.